I am further proceeding the abstract of this project is or we can say sir,
Background is running. Someone's background is running and voice is coming loud.
Uh, okay. Should I present with Kulkarni? Should I present?
okay sir, no problem.
Let me. Please hold for some minute. I will try to present. 1 minute. I have to download the slides. What you have sent me. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. I will download it and present it from my laptop. You are presenting it from your mobile. That is why the problem is there. So just give me 2 minutes.
No. The voice is loud. Noise is there. Noise.
Noise is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Presentation is going on, but why noise behind the persons? Who are the persons? I
okay.
don't know.
ओके कुलकर्णी मी मराठीत बोलतो. मित्रांनो
हा
जरा
सर.
तुमच्या आजूबाजूला कोण जे असतील त्यांना जरा थोडंसं शांत बसायला सांगा. डिस्टर्बन्स येते थोडंसं. ते जरा बंद करा आणि तुमचा ज्यांनी कोणी बोलणार आहे त्यांनीच फक्त अनम्यूट करा. पाहिजे तर मी प्रेझेंट करतो. फक्त कधी स्लाइड चेंज करायची तेवढे मला सांगा. आय विल प्रेझेंट. मी प्रेझेंट करतो बरं का कुलकर्णी.
Yes sir.
मी प्रेझेंट करतो. तुम्ही फक्त बोला. हा ओके. सो दिस इज युअर प्रेझेंटेशन. स्टार्ट. So you can. Kulkarni, you can start. कुलकर्णी ऐकू येते का?
Yes sir.
हा बोला की तुम्ही चालू करा की.
Yes sir.
present
Good
केलं.
evening sir once again. I am Atharva Kulkarni from third year mechanical engineering from Severis College of Engineering, Pundrapur.
Continue.
I am audible sir.
हा या यू आर ऑडिबल बट व्हॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग. थोडंसं आवाज मध्ये जरा डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय. जरा थोडंसं रेंज मध्ये जाऊन बोला की.
One
हा बोला. तोपर्यंत दुसरं कोणतरी बोला नाही तर.
just a second. Sorry, just a second.
हा. येस.
Hello sir.
हा स्टार्ट.
Yes sir. I am Atharva Kulkarni from third year mechanical from Severis College of Engineering, Pundrapur.
ओके कंटिन्यू.
Sir, we are trying to make one solar vegetable dryer to dry the powders of some vegetables, and they are to be given to the farmers who can eager to need that powder of that dried vegetables. So the functionality of solar vegetable dehydrator is to dehydrate different vegetables like tomato, onion, garlic, potato, etc. Uh, Sir, we can put any vegetable or any fruit in that dryer, which is to be dried by using solar radiations and black body. We are implementing the non-conventional energy like solar radiations and the black body radiations. It is
Nice.
broadly applicable for making the powder of dried vegetables to use them for a long period. Sir, mainly
Go to next
vegetables
slide.
are
Don't read it. Just tell and we will proceed. Should I proceed?
Go
Okay,
to
sir.
next
Yes, sir.
slide.
Okay. So these are the
This
tables and contents.
Next,
Okay.
next.
Next.
the
That
introduction,
is fine. Go to your work. Go to your work.
Okay. Okay.
methodology.
Methodology.
हाँ.
Okay.
Show the picture.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what they are planning for.
Okay.
Basically,
We have, sir, not.
this is the plan what they have.
Okay.
Kulkarni, I will explain. There are
Okay, sir.
there are two containers they are planned. First container one above here over here and another container over here. So this particular container is they are planning for getting the hot air. So what they will do is they have a box over here with a glass cover on it and a black paint on the lower side of it. That is from that black color can be visible from the upper side. So when the radiation hit on this particular surface, we will get hot air. And here they have put one pump or a blower and here a temperature controller to control the flow velocity of the air, which can be sucked from this and it can be sent to this. Second container here is a dryer where they have some trays in it. And in this particular trays, they are trying to place some vegetables in it so that can be dried. Now what they are planning to do is they will get the hot air from this and they will maintain the flow rate in such a manner that they will maintain the temperature over here. And as per this particular chart, they will go for finding out some airflow, temperature maintained, time required, and the quality after the product is being dried, whereby they will get the crush. After drying, they will crush that particular vegetable and convert it into a powder. And they will check the taste and the color of that particular product powder, whether it is as per their requirement or not. So that is these are the experimentation what they are going to do, and this is the experimentation setup what they are planning to go for.
Yes,
And here,
so what is the desired temperature in the drying cabinet?
Kulkarni, can you tell what is the desired temperature you are planned for?
Sir, now initially we are not make that project, but sir, I can tell that normal temperature we have to put in dryer is to 52 to 60 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Okay. Sir, Sagdi sir, they are
Yes, sir.
planning to go for a 50 to 60 degree temperature initially to start with the experimentation, and they will initially vary the different temperatures. And in order to control the temperature, they have here a flow rate controller where they will control the flow rate of the air. So if the temperature is above the requirement, they will increase the flow rate and bring down the temperature. If the temperature is below what they are getting, they will slow down the air flow rate and they will try to increase the temperature. Thereby, they will maintain a constant temperature in the dryer so that for a certain amount of time they will get for drying it. So by managing this particular parameter, they will ensure that they are planning to find out what is the time required to dry that particular vegetable and what will be the temperature that has to be maintained, so that they will get good quality dried product, so that can be crushed and converted into powder.
Yes.
So
Yes.
here the vegetables that are perishable, they want to make use of, because they are perishable, it cannot be available throughout the year, but they want to make it available for the throughout the year, so that there will not be wastage from the farmer side. So the farmer is going to benefit. They are going to use some website and emails in order to make their advertisement, and they are using the non-conventional energy like solar energy for drying. And drying the vegetables and converting into powders is the solution what they are finding out for the vegetables that are perishable. So they can farmers can avoid the losses, and they will get more benefit. So that is the basic idea, I think. And finally, the powders and the dryers, they want to sell it, so that thereby the farmers are going to get some advantage. So this is the idea, I think. So over to Sagde sir. Will you add on some suggestions or any
So
from your side, sir?
desired temperature, that is the worry for me. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
size? What is the dimensions? What is the size?
Dimension. Atharva, I would finalize the dimensions. So presently, sir, we have one dryer of around
Which
1 meter by 1 meter size available in our department, which was being manufactured by previous year project. So initially, they are trying to use it 1 meter by 1 meter size.
Okay. And what is
Huh.
the capacity, loading capacity?
Loading capacity in it, some trays are there, around 5 trays they have placed it, and they have not calculated the loading capacity in terms of how much vegetables and all, but initially they are presently just they are in third year, so they are trying to start the project in the starting phase. This particular project is, so they have not
Okay,
reached up to the mark what you are
When the experiments were planned?
now they are constructing this particular containers, basically the dryer and the solar energy collector. So after once that is constructed, they will start, and they are on the verge of completion of the constructions.
Okay, because summer is coming,
Yes,
and
correct.
it is a good time for the experiments.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Any suggestion from your side to add on so that we can improve our work, sir?
It is good idea to
Yes, sir.
work on.
Yeah.
The temperature range need to be in the range of 70 to 75.
70 to 75. Okay, sir. We will
Yes.
increase the range
Yes.
of experimentation, temperature range of experimentation. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Atharva, I
If
think
you-
you have heard.
If
Yes,
you
sir.
have any questions, you can.
Okay, Atharva, Madan Patil, do you have some questions you can ask to sir? Sir is an expert in basically a non-conventional energy field. So sir can help you if you have any doubts, please. Atharva?
no, sir, no. I can
No.
understand better.
Okay. So whatever according to their understanding, sir, they have done it. Presently, they have not started the work, so they don't have now much doubts.
Okay.
As and when they start their work, they will be having doubts. So I think sir has
Once
given
college
suggestion.
once
Yeah,
college
yeah.
will start, once college
you-
will start, we are trying to make that all.
Okay. So your start will experimentation will start. Okay. So we will be waiting for college to start and experimentation will be starting. Okay. So Sagde sir, thank you for your valuable time what you have given for us, and suggestion what you have given. We will try to implement, and I thank once again Sagde sir. So sir, Gauri sir's batch is also waiting, but I think Gauri sir today didn't get time to some other time. We will. I think you have to go spare some more time for us to attend the Gauri sir's batch. Okay.
Yes.
So presently, okay, sir. Thanks a lot for coming over here and guiding our students. Thanks a lot. So okay. So by the so I declare that our presentation can be end. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, everybody. Madan Patil. Madan Patil, are you hearing? Okay. कुलकर्णी.
Yes, sir.
हा समजलं ना त्यांचं
हो, sir.
म्हणणं आहे की टेम्परेचर जरा थोडीशी वाढवायला पाहिजे.
हो.
मग आपण जरा थोडंसं टेम्परेचर वाढवून आपण स्टार्टिंग करू आणि लवकरात लवकर ती कंटेनर्स बनवून घ्या. आपल्याला
yes.
एक काम करा, तुम्ही एक दिवशी कॉलेजला या आणि तिथं वरे सरांकडे एक रिव्हर्स इंजिनिअरिंग लॅब म्हणून आहे.
हा.
तर त्या रिव्हर्स इंजिनिअरिंग लॅब मध्ये एक आतमध्ये एक ड्रायरचं मागच्या एक जुनं एक मॉडेल आहे.
ओके सर.
पण ती लई मोठा आहे, खूप मोठा आहे आणि ऍक्च्युली त्याच्या आतमध्येच सगळे सेटअप आहे. परंतु बघा तुम्ही एकदा ती पण येऊन एकदा बघा की त्याने काय केलंय. त्यांनी पण एक ड्रायर तयार केलाय. आपण जरा थोडंसं वेगळ्या प्रकारे करतोय परंतु ती येऊन बघा आणि त्यातलं काही पार्ट तुम्हाला उपयोगी पडले तर त्यातनं ती काढून घेऊन परत त्यात बसवता येतील असं काही करता आलं तर बघा. एकदा तुम्ही वेळ काढून सगळेजण या कॉलेजला, वेळ काढून सगळे.
हो सर, हो नक्की.
कुणाला भेटायचं? वरे सरांना भेटायचं.
वराय सर.
हा, वरे सरांच्याकडे रिव्हर्स इंजिनिअरिंग लॅब आहे. त्यांच्याकडे मागच्या वर्षाचे काही मुलांनी केलेले एक ड्रायरचं तिथं मला वाटतं एक सोलार कलेक्टर आहे. तर ते तुम्हाला काय उपयोग होतोय का बघा, त्यातून काय मटेरियल तुम्हाला मिळते का बघा, म्हणजे तुमची कॉस्ट कमी होईल प्रोजेक्टची.
येस सर, येस सर, शुअर सर.
ओके, तर कधी लवकरात लवकर ती बघा, एकदा या आणि काम चालू करा.
येस सर.
ओके,
शुअर.
ओके, देन वी विल मीट आवर मीटिंग. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.
थँक्यू सर.